show us, the superstar.
For sure. So we are going to be taking this trip, you guys. This is my first time on the boat. Stay tuned with me so that we go together and see how it's going to be like. We are going to board Dubai. This thing is actually very loud. I cannot hear my own. Jay is here.
Hi guys, it's your boy Real Big Dog J. Today I'm privileged to be with the superstar right here at Dubai Creek. So guys, just make sure you watch this video, subscribe to our channel and keep supporting her. Make sure you support our Instagram or Facebook and dollar for YouTube, man.
I'll put Jay's link in the description box so you can click and support his channel as well.
She's a very big superstar, man.
Oh my God.
I'm hanging on her shoulders. Okay guys.
Oh, so that's my friend Jay. We are here at Dubai Creek. Is that right, Jay?
Yeah, you're right. This is Dubai Creek. In this area connect Dubai Creek with that of Board Dubai. So across is Board Dubai, and this place is Dubai Creek Deira.
Okay.
So for instance, if you come to the UAE and you want to buy goods, this is the area where people come to buy what we are now. It's called Dubai Deira, where they have all of these shops and the stores. And across there is Board Dubai.
Across is Board Dubai.
Yeah.
So we have to board a boat to board.
This is a must try, so whenever you come to Dubai, make sure you try this one. It's actually affordable. So today, I actually came here with the superstar so she can give it a try.
Oh my goodness. Jay, you won't stop saying that, won't you? Hey guys, I'm at Dubai Creek. So it's my first time of coming here actually. I'm here to see, we're going to board a boat to board Dubai because this is Dubai Creek, right? Yeah. So from here we're going to board Dubai to see how it's going to be like. So just stay with me because we're going to be taking this trip together. It's going to be a very fun trip. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe.
Okay, but guys, just make sure you see her outfit for the day. Eh? Ah! This is a very big celebrity. She doesn't want you guys to see her outfit. See the outfit.
Oh my
Miss
goodness.
Cameroon. This is nice to sit here.
Oh, my friend. This is my first time being here. So I hope it's goes well. Nice. It's my first time. Oh my God, I'm so stupid. Stepped down from the boat, so we are going to be everywhere today. Yeah. It's a fun trip, very fun trip.
Yeah.
Jay is here. I had to borrow his glasses because I cannot see, the sun is too hot.
Okay, Jay, borrow my glasses.
They are not my glasses, you guys. They are for Jay.
I'm here making the big along, with the superstar. It's a great privilege for me today. And I don't know why we accidentally we are wearing the same color as you can see,
For real, we are twinning today. I don't know how it happened, but just a good coincidence that we had to dress like this today.
We have to use this side.
Hey guys. Which side? He's showing me around because I don't know this place.
What they sell all their traditional stuff.
Okay.
The attire, and then the incense.
For the locals?
Yeah,
Yes,
for the local. Everything has to relate to the local.
Okay, let me show you guys.
Oh, this is a perfume shop.
Yeah.
So we can see like, is it the local perfume, Jay?
Of course, yeah, the local.
Like the local perfume, huh?
Yeah.
Arabic perfume, is it?
Yeah, Arabic perfume, right?
Yeah, this one Arabic perfume.
How much?
So Jay is supposed to buy me something nice.
Oh my God.
He's getting me perfume. He's such a gentleman. Yeah, he made me shy. I'm gonna make you shy as well. Hi, say hi to my fans.
How are you?
Yeah, I'm in the shop together with Jay. He's trying to get me perfume. Somebody is buying me perfume. See, he's gonna get it. That's for sure. Hi. You wanna dance? Put the music so I can dance with you. You guys, I'm just being crazy here. You want to dance? Put music. I dance English, Arabic, any kind of music. Hi. How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Hi. How are you? What is this?
That's really made British. He's shooting you. He's British.
But yeah,
This also handbag.
it's handwork. Jay, this is 30 dirham for one piece.
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah, for one person.
One piece.
You want to buy one piece? No problem. It's not going that color.
It's not going. It's not going.
This is Bengal. How much?
That's it.
How many? You want to get one or you want to come?
Don't worry.
Come back. We're going like this to come back here. I don't know how to vlog like this, Jay. I'm always shaking.
These are incense, like I said, basically these are traditional market. So everything you see here just demonstrate the Arabic culture. Yeah, the perfume, the incense, their costume, all the basic things they use. Yeah. So anything that relate to the Arabic culture, you come here, you will get it from
What
here.
is this?
So, yeah.
Show you the.
So these are all different stuff.
What is this?
Come on, this is small thing. What is it? Oh my gosh!
What is that?
This is what they put on their clothes.
This is Bakur. You use put in chat.
Bukur, yeah?
House, bed, nice.
This one.
Yes. And this is pepper tie.
This is root?
No, this is Sandal Bakur.
Jesus Christ.
It smells good, yeah?
It's unbelievable.
So this is peppermint.
Oh my God. That's terrible.
This is good.
This is
I love
good.
this
I haven't
one.
sexy.
That's okay.
Just see.
So this is for
Jay, are you getting that?
the one that can make the clothes smell very nice.
How much should it
How much for
cost?
that? This because you're in the share accommodation.
Okay.
I wish I could have
I want it.
Okay, yeah. Okay. What's the measurement? What's the stone? I love this one so much. I just love nice and
I know.
Grams need
what's the grain? This is how many grain at the moment?
75 grams.
75 grain right here?
Yes.
No, Baba, I just want, okay. This is how many grain?
35 grams.
So, wait, come in, let me say, what's asking how many grain? Gus.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Where are you from?
I'm from Cameroon.
Cameroon.
Yes.
Oh my God.
Where are you from?
So sweet people in Cameroon.
Really? Have you been to
Cameroon?
Cameroon?
Cameroon, Niger, Mali. Do you know? Yes.
Really?
Cameroon. Yeah.
You have Cameroonian friends?
Yes, I have so many friends in Cameroon. Do you know? So are you coming in visitor here in Dubai?
Are
Really?
you showing them?
I'm from originally Pakistan but living in Dubai.
You're from Pakistan?
Yeah.
Wow, amazing.
Welcome.
Thank you. It's nice to meet you. Like
Like she said initially, right? This is a traditional market. In this area, all of the tourists that come to UAE, if you want to know basically about their culture, you want to have more insight, you come to this place, you'll get to know from the food they eat, the material they use, like 10 or 20, 30 years ago, because of current, the country is 51 years old. So when it started, all those things they used to use, the incense, you know, it's a Muslim country now, so there's so many things. So the clothes they wear, the incense, the pots they used to use back in the days, all of those things, herbs and dollar food, you can find everything here. Yeah, so she's showing you around, you can see all of these amazing things. So it's actually incredible. But whenever you come to the UAE, make sure to come to this place. You can find it at Dubai. Just get on a boat from Dubai Creek. You come there directly, which is 1 dirham, and you can explore.
Right.
To get more information, she will drop all of the details in the description below.
For sure. We'll do that. So what are these lights for?
I think, yeah, these are all, I think, decorated designs, right?
Decorated?
These lights.
Yes.
What these lights are for, right? These are, I think, designs, right?
Mm-hmm.
Like the way we have this kind of luxury light back home. I think this is how they got theirs. But yeah, but you know, UAE now they love luxury.
I'm okay.
You are in recording?
I'm what?
Recording,
Recording?
yeah.
Yeah, yeah.